Time to replace the kitchen faucet head, two-function head. It's full of grime stuff, and I'm just going to replace it. Learned that although this is metal, stainless or brushed nickel, this stainless, this is just a plastic head. When I'm taking this off, I put a couple little clamps here. You can use a clothespin, but you don't want this to flow back if it will fit. I'm not sure this head's going to go through here, but I don't want to get underneath the sink and have to push that up, get another person to help me. This just unscrews. Already started it. This handle's, this is kind of nice, has a little swivel. I don't want to replace any of this. So I have this kit. Here's the old head. Here's the new head. Got one more function on it. Feels about the same, a little different shape. Now I have to match up these connectors. This one, here's a male connector. This one's a female connector. This kit I have came with a whole box of connectors. Surprised me. And of course I immediately proceeded to get them out of order. But you can see there's a variety of connectors shipped that will help you depending on what type of faucet head you have. And I've concluded with this one. I tried it. The difference being that these threads I measured are 5/16, I think it was, and this is longer. Yeah, the instructions say send them a note on which model we have and everything so they can maybe make more adapters. I will do that. But my choices are tolerate that gap or try to take this back and cut it down a little bit to match the same depth as this thing. So when I insert that adapter into its new head, yeah, that's a better view of it. See the difference. This whole area is too long. So let's put it in here and show you. And of course those threads are plastic, so you have to be careful when you put them in. You're going to have to put a pliers on it to get it off. And see the gap? You have to be careful also when you're trying to tighten this up. You want to put a crescent wrench on here. You have to be able to get the thing off. So if I look at that, the clamp's off. It's a small gap, but the lady can see it. Just test it anyway. No leaks. You spray it, stream it. If you have this mode, you've got a couple high velocity sprayers. Always goes back into the stream mode. Operates well. Leave it up here and see what she thinks. I think that's going to be better than me trying to, I don't see, it's right there between the two types of threads where the gap is. I don't think there's really a way for me to cut that back or adjust it. Anyway, I did not study all the head types. Didn't know there were numbers for them. I have not looked at what G1/2 versus 5/8 -16 UN is. Something to do with thread thickness between the threads, diameter, type. Yeah. In any case, I have a bunch of extra ones, washers if need to fit. I've got ones that I presume connect on the inside. The bigger barrel ones. Smaller ones. Okay, yeah, here's a different style also. Male and female. Well, we're good to go. We'll see if there's any perception. When you're back at a distance, there isn't a problem.